Number 12. Which statement describes a catalyst? So catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of chemical reaction and is not changed by the reaction. So the before the reaction and after the reaction, the catalyst stays the same. Although it can actually change, the reason is the exposure to high temperature or high or low pH, like I said before, above. So this is actually about the definition of catalyst. So just memorize this definition, because it usually came out in the exam quite often in the past. So it's always good to know the definition of a catalyst, because quite often you actually have to give a definition about the enzyme, and enzymes are the catalyst. So if you just write this when you try to explain about the enzyme, you can get easy marks. So that's a tip. Thanks, guys.